Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Domino here. All right, I'm in Kenner. Yep, where I love to be. You know. Yep. So, all right. You know, when I get home, I'm gonna get some cough syrup, though. You know. All right. Here, the surrounding areas, just in case you're not familiar with Kenner. Uh huh. All right. There go a Domino's pizza right there. You know. I love Domino's pizza. You know. Uh huh. Well. What have we here? What I want to talk about, y'all. What I want to talk about is I'm very glad. Look like a bus coming. Yeah. So yeah, that is a bus. I'm sure. I'm certain of it. So y'all want to look down and see? All right. So yeah, that's a bus. Okay. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm so glad to be out here. Yeah, that's a bus down there. If y'all can see it, you know. All right. So as I was saying, y'all, oh yeah, that is a bus. All right. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm kind of glad to be out here though, and stuff like that, you know. Just to give it a hint though, you know. By me walking here, there, and the other, you know. All right, so all right, about to get on this bus. It's getting closer. All right, so I'm gonna see y'all later. All right, bye.